Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming which Google account holds the photos you want removed, because deletion is account-specific and often irreversible. Once signed in, make a quick backup using Google Takeout or by downloading selected images to local storage. This prevents accidental loss. Next, navigate to Photos. Google, Com on desktop, or open the Google Photos app on your phone. Make sure you use the correct account in the top right. If not, switch accounts before continuing so you don't remove someone else's library. Now you'll select the photos to remove. On desktop, use Shift-click or click the check mark, and on mobile, long press and tap Others. Once selected, click the trash icon or tap Remove to move items to trash. This gives you a safety window. Remember that trash auto-deletes after 60 days, so to immediately free space or fully remove content, open Trash and choose Empty Trash. If you change your mind, restore from trash before it expires. That's why the temporary step exists. For a full cleanup, first turn off backup and sync so devices stop re-uploading. Then delete everything from photos and finally empty trash. If deleted images reappear, make sure no other device or Google Drive sync is restoring them. Disable syncing on all devices and repeat deletion. If you run into problems, clear the Photos app cache, sign out and restart the app or browser, and confirm you're on the intended account. These steps resolve most sync and permission-related issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.